Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a paper shadow box, so kind of like a shadow frame, and inside I'm actually going to put paper daisies. Now normally when you just look up like a layered flower, they show up like this and you just glue them together, and I'll usually do that on like a card embellishment. But when you're putting something in a shadow box, you want it to be three-dimensional. So I want it to be more like that one. So I'll show you here real quick how you get the flower to curve up like that. So you can see on the side, sorry, just trying to get you right in the camera here, that the petals, it's not flat. Like I can flatten it down, but they poof back up. So you'll need your bone folder or something else with a bit of a sharp edge. And play around with it, because just depending on how you hold the paper and the bone folder and where you put your thumb, you just want to put light pressure onto the paper. Don't press too hard or you'll rip the paper, cardstock. And there, I've lifted up the petals. So I'll show you on a bigger one. Again, it's not hard pressure that we're putting on here, just a small amount. Let's get the last one done and then I'll relayer them so you can see that just this little bit of pressure with the bone folder changes how the flower is going to look. So there we go. Now it's three-dimensional. It looks a lot more like that one. So I've already made a couple of the bigger ones, but I got some smaller ones to make. So sit back and let's get started. Okay, the glue is now dry. I did add that little back square on at the end. I don't care for it showing that little bit, so if I make this again, I'm going to make that back square the exact 6 inches by 6 inches, so it's fully covered. You can see a little mess up there, but other than that, like, it looks absolutely fine. I think the daisies look beautiful in there. I think it looks like a shadow box, and this was all of 9 pieces of cardstock. So, if that, and most of it was for the daisies themselves. To make this little box guy was 1 piece, and it's firm. It's not going anywhere. So, but I'm very happy with it. I'm glad I tried to conquer this one. I'm very happy with the results. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.